Caleb's motor here, which I've stripped out. It ends up being twice the hook to peg distance. We point the camera over here. See? So it's about twice his hook to hook distance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this off. Got to keep it pointed at me. There we go. And so tie this off like that. And got to remember where my pocket knife is. And before we lubricate this, or sorry, before we braid it, you got to keep the camera. You gotta, there we go. We gotta take some rubber lubricant. That was way too much. Alright, so we're going to take this winder. Alright, you point it down at this. There we go, something like that. Crank in enough turns to get this started. I have the knot in the middle, and you'll understand why in a second. Because little fingers are going to be loading this motor. And so what we're going to do is, this end is easily manipulated. This end isn't, because it likes to come apart. Caleb, you gotta keep it pointed this way. And we hook it on like that. And back here at the back. And now if we wind this guy up a little bit. Caleb, you gotta keep pointed this way. No, you're pointing it to the side of me. Keep it pointed this way. There we go. All right, anyway, we let this unwind. You notice it doesn't sag, even though, as we demonstrated earlier, this motor is literally twice that length. So, there it is. Alright, so we've got your plane here. How about you do a test glide with it? And so the wind's coming from that way. So hold it up high above you, point it down, point it down. No, point it down. Not that much. There you go. Alright, send it. Yeah, somebody had some turns wound in there. It is definitely tail heavy. So we gotta slide the wing back. Alright, Daddy's doing the test glide here because somebody doesn't like to, you know, do normal things with the plane. Alright, that looks a lot better right there. So let's wind in a little bit. Alright, so we wound in a few turns here. So let's see how it goes.
Now go?
Yeah. Well, that's rather drama-free. Doesn't fly half bad. Alright, this one is mine. I guess Paul's going to end up with it. Now I have the motor locked up here. I actually wound in a few turns, but we've got it locked, as you can see right there. So, okay. So I use the same wing position as Caleb. And now let's see what happens on low power. So I have more rubber on mine than him. I don't know if I'm going to get away with it because that looks like that's going to bind. We may have to change prop shafts. So, it at least does not impact negatively the flying of it. Seems to fly good. Okay, get the tail down, no cheating. No. All the way on the table. Alright, let's see it go.
Come on, Mr. Zebra. Go fly.
Well, that was different. Alright, go get it. Alright, when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
These fly pretty good, I gotta admit. It's not the greatest quality kit, but goodness. Oh, that's our OG mine. That was lame. Take two. Take two. Wow. You don't want to climb, do you? Trying yet again. More power for the win. Boy, that thing vibrates like crazy. That's getting up there. I hope I get this back. It's not looking good. That's in lift. That's like in actual lift. Come on, come out of it. Don't be a good thermal hunter, be a bad thermal hunter. There we go, sink, sink. Very good, glide like a brick. Yeah, that's in an actual downdraft. It flew out of the lift, as you can see right there. All right, I'll take that. There we go. Except without that part we can do without. You better go chase that, Caleb. Oop. Okay. Duel, right? It's a duel, isn't it? Okay, call it.
1, 2, 3, go!
So far, he's winning the climb battle by a wide margin. I am there, and he's up there. I'm there. He's...
I'm winning!
Yeah, you better keep up with that plane, too. I'm out here. He's there. Go chase it down, Caleb. Go chase it down. See, I'm not going anywhere, and my son is beating the crud out of me. There I am, and there he is. I'm down. Now I gotta go chase his down in a second. Oh, that's not gonna be bad. Nice. Flop. Sorry y'all didn't see that. Alright, go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Alright. Hold it up high. Go, go. There we go.
Yay, Paul!
Yeah, Paul, keep an eye on your plane.
Daddy! Where's it going?
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Yeah. Woo! Mine needs wind. It comes down. Where's that airplane?
Throw it. Boy, Caleb nearly crashed.
Yeah. See mine?
I see yours.
Look! Mine is my zebra.
Yours is a ladybug.
I'm a zebra.
Yeah. Oh, please keep an eye on Paul's, because
Yeah, I see it.
See? See
that you know, that cruise is only about halfway done.
I know.
I see mine. Yeah, I have to go chase it.
And it's bumping lift.
And bring
Caleb's on the way down. Well,
Mine is on the way down.
no. He's gonna go down first. That's a good glide. And Caleb is, or Paul's headed off into the distance there.
Hold on, Paul.
Whoa. Dang.
Down.
You know how the one is.
Oh, get it. The cat is trying to kill me.
Stop
There
it.
you go. Oh, Reese, stop that. Ow! Ow! Ow!
No.
Come on, focus.
No.
She's being mean, isn't she? Come on, you can do it.
No.
There you go.
Don't
There
kill
you
my
go.
family.
All right, let's stop with that. So grab here. Oh. Now I'll take this. Grab the tail of the plane. There you got it. Slide it in there. We're just gonna try to slide it in between here, like that. Just like that. All right, now. Yep, rub. There you go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. One thing. I gotta adjust one thing.
Whoa.
All right, throw it towards Caleb.
On the mark,
Oh.
is it?
All right, try again.
On the mark, is it?
There you go. Oh, trees. The propeller and then throw it. Yep. There you go. On clear. There we go. Daddy needs to lubricate that propeller. That sounds awful.
No. It plays God.
Yeah, but listen to how much racket it makes.
No. Stupid. I need a propeller. Nice.
All right, Paul, you see where it's going? Can you find it?
Yeah.
All right, go get it. And throw it. Go.
Look. There's an airmail right there. It's flying great. Look at my ladybug. It's flying great.
Now if it'll just steer away from those trees there. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Has a mind of its own.
There's tires on it.
Is that what those are? Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.